1690. The one. We're getting this YouTube stuff together.
That's right. DJ Extra Richie. We doing it big. Can you get that in there?
Yeah. Yeah, the Comedy Explosions. We want y'all to go check it out. We're going to be interviewing Speedy starting on Wednesday all the way to Coco Brown. She's going to be here on Sunday. So y'all come out.
Make sure y'all be here. We're going to ask them the provocative, insightful questions off the grid, on the grid. You know how we do it here at 1690. Nothing's out of bounds. If they don't want to answer, too bad. Stay tuned. We'll let y'all know. Follow the programming. 1690 AM The One TV.